Here's the 0Z GFS Model Run at 1 p.m. this afternoon. We have a trough axis going through the Great Lakes, and that's with a system that's pulling away from the area. We have a bit of a ridge over the area, and that's continuing to bring hot weather to the state, at least most of the state. The northeastern counties could see a reprieve with temperatures close to 80, maybe even some upper 70s, but the southwestern counties, unfortunately, are going to be in the mid to upper 90s. Heat indices well over 100 in some areas. There's also could be some chances of showers and storms at night in our southwestern counties late tonight into Friday, and again Friday night into Saturday. Those chances are fairly slim. So they're going to be hit and miss, so there could be chances of some rain, but don't count on it. Otherwise, it will slowly cool back down, at least into the 80s to lower 90s across the state, and dew points will come down a smidge. But then as we look toward the end of the weekend and you see the winds back out of the southwest, temperatures start to rise again, dew points start to rise again, and then here comes a frontal system coming in from the northwest as we move into Monday and the first part of Tuesday with some showers and thunderstorms. Precipitable water levels look to be fairly high, so heavy rain is a possibility. Severe weather doesn't look as likely, but both could change in future runs. You can see by Tuesday that system is slowly moving off to the south and east. Temperatures cool down, dew points drop, so we could see some refreshing 70s for the middle of next week. And then again, unfortunately, with the heat trying to build back in over the southwest, because the desert southwest is going to really heat up. It's going to be a baking oven down there. With that overrunning in the ring of fire, we could see showers and storms just skimming our state again midweek, especially at night. Better chances look to be just to our southwest, but it's all dependent on whether this heat dome kind of builds back in quick after the system early week next week. So there's still some fluidity going around, especially this far out. So there still could be some changes, so we'll keep tabs on that. But you can see, looking toward the end of the 10-day period, the ridge is starting to build back up over the plains in the south and west, and a trough axis just to our east. And that means possibly by next weekend, not this coming weekend, by next weekend, temperatures could start to warm up again, and a system is going to be coming in. The Gulf could open up with some moisture, so it could get rather summery. We'll see. Satellite image from last evening. A couple of complexes of showers and storms around the area. System just to our north and west. That's going to be slow to move in our direction. And otherwise, it looks fairly quiet, but it looks really hot as well. Heat advisories, excessive heat warnings in the plains down into the Delta region. Excessive heat watch in the southwest, where temperatures will be way into the 110s in some areas. That's not happening around here, thank goodness. We could see a little bit of precipitation over the next 5 days, maybe a tenth to a quarter of an inch. Heavier totals than any thunderstorms, and the heaviest looks to be over the south and southeast in the mid-Atlantic.